And this video gonna be about basically tips on how to grow your dreads faster at an early stage, or starting lots, or whatever the case may be, whatever you're going through. But tips on how to grow your dreads faster. Shit I've been through. My shit not all the way to my shoulders, but if y'all go back and look at my first dread video, these bitches now, they're dreads now. Fuck you talking about? And they had 2 strands, so they really longer than this, but I got these bitches strained up, you feel me? But before we jump into all these tips that's gonna help y'all take y'all dreads to the next level for sure, let them get a little hang time, shake a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Before we get into that, make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Scroll down, hit the like for your boy. That's gonna help me get in the algorithm. That's gonna help more dread heads or more beginner dread heads see this video. Gonna help them out, put them on game. So make sure y'all hit that like button for your boy. The thing is like that, slap that bit, hit it, feel me? Comment what you wanna see next. If you got any questions on your dread journey, anything in general, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, give me the 8K. Let's run it up, but enough talking, let's jump right into the video, you feel me? Yo. All right, look, so this video not gonna be long. I'm gonna be giving y'all little tips and tricks to help y'all throughout y'all journey. Tip number 1, man, listen, this tip number 1, you should already know this if you don't, but you might not, because I didn't know this for a long time. So tip number 1, get you a durag, bro. Like, forget all the bullshit. Forget the bonnets, forget the wrap. Just get a durag, bro. For the longest of time, I was wearing a bonnet every night, and which is cool. A bonnet, if you gotta wear a bonnet before you wear nothing. Before you go to bed empty as fuck on your head, put a bonnet on. But the durag is a number 1 option. But for a long time, like I was saying, I was wearing a bonnet, bro. And what that was doing, like, I get my hair did, and it'll keep my hair protected, but my dreads will never lock up or nothing. Cause at nighttime, they'll be all rumbling all across, you know what I'm saying, the bonnet, because the bonnet is loose as fuck. So it's not gonna keep your hair in place. It's gonna let your hair do whatever it wants to. So I was having a lot of trouble getting my hair to lock up and just getting formed in my dreads, or even forming dreads, because I always wear a bonnet every night. Once I get my shit done, I throw a bonnet on, you feel me? So my hair be all over the place. So some days I wake up, my hair be like up here, or some days my shit be scrunched up. Just a lot of different shit. So number 1, get y'all a durag, wear that bitch every night. If you wanna go take a nap, put a durag on. Shit, if you wanna go work out, throw a durag on. You wanna go hit your girl, throw a durag on, you feel me? But look, that's number 1, get a durag, bro. Tip number 2, make sure you oiling your hair, you're oiling your scalp. I ain't gonna say every night, but like every other night. Make sure you oiling your shit, bro. So that's another thing that I was doing wrong. So this is the benefit. Like, I know I talk a lot, bro, I apologize, but look, fuck that. Look, this is the benefit of this video, man. I ain't gonna sit here and sell you. I ain't gonna wait till my dreads get this long before I give y'all tips. Cause a lot of y'all gonna be stuck. Cause for me, I was stuck in like the starter lock for so long, bro. And I was wondering like, bro, why my hair won't lock up? But it's cause I was doing shit all wrong. I wasn't moisturizing my shit. Wasn't wearing a durag. But anyway, moisturize y'all shit every night, man. Get y'all just some oil. This oil I use. Eventually, y'all stay tuned to the bigger ones. I'm gonna get my own hair oil. I promise y'all. But right now, this is what I've been using, just Jamaican black castor oil. How I do it, let me close the top, because I'm not trying to get sticky icky. So, after I get out of the shower, you know, I let my shit, I let my shit out my shower bonnet, then I get to work. I oil my scalp, I go down, just like this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Sometimes I just go through it like that. But you don't have to do it like that. You can also, like, make sure your hands clean. Put it on, like, the tips of your hands, like this. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Rub it in. Make sure you just rub it through your scalp and rub it through your dreads. Make sure your shit moisturized. Cause that's basically, you gotta moisturize your shit. The same way I tell y'all with the beard shit, you gotta keep your beard moisturized. You gotta keep your hair moisturized. That's gonna help it grow. If you let your shit just dry out, your dreads gonna start looking nappy. Like if y'all look at my dreads, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they don't really look nappy. And that white shit in there is either like build up or something, you know, whatever. But they don't look nappy, bro. They look kind of neat. And that's because I be oiling my shit. And when I go to my hairstylist or whatever, I tell her like to oil my shit, but when she get done, you know, whatever the case may be, I don't like my shit being dry, because to me that's when your dreads start looking like real, they look real dry, they look real nappy, they look, just depending on how you want your dreads. Some people want that look, which is fine as fuck, but for me, I like my shit to look neat, and when they get longer, they're gonna just be neat, 2 strands, you feel me? But y'all see the point. But that's another tip. Make sure y'all oiling, moisturizing your shit not every night, but every other night, for real. It's gonna help you out. It's gonna take your shit to the next level. Bow. Tip number 3, make sure get some different styles. That's gonna help your shit grow different too. Like right now, my shit in 2 strands, and I've been had this shit for like a month already. So right now, my shit don't look fresh, I know, but I've been having this in for a month. So when I take them out these 2 strands, bruh, I can guarantee, like, I'm gonna probably make a video. My dreads gonna be probably like right here. It's gonna be longer, like, just cause they wrapped up in the string. And even though like it ain't no scientific fact that having your shit wrapped up or braided gonna make it longer, but for some reason, every time I braid my shit and then take it out, or strain it and take it out, my shit be like, I be like, damn, my shit grew for real. So tell your stylist, like, if your shit, not long enough to get 2 strands, tell her to braid it up or just do something. Just put it in some type of style. Like, I post a picture. Like, I had my shit in braids at one time. Had my shit like tied up. Just make sure you just put your shit in different styles, because that's gonna also make it to where your shit ain't just turn to a fro off the rip, like your starter locks. Because when you got starter locks, if you get them hoes wet, you start sweating anything, your hair gonna turn to an afro, bro. Like, it ain't gonna be dressed no more. So just put it in different styles will help it last a little bit longer, and that's what you need. Like, you need your shit to be more compact as long as it's possible. You know what I'm saying? So 2 strands is really perfect, but a lot of people, I know y'all hair not gonna be long enough for 2 strands off the rip. But the reason why it's so perfect, because look how tight my hair is coiled with each other, you feel me? And it's staying right there, and it's kind of easy to organize them. It's kind of easy like to oil my shit, because I can just spread them like that. So put your shit in the styles, different benefits for that too. But make sure y'all tell y'all stylists to braid your shit up or whatever the case may be. Tip number 3, they call me on Smoove because I'm gonna keep it a G for sure. Get y'all some spray mist. I should have put in some tip number 2 with the oil, but get y'all like some mist like some, like this what I've been using right here. It's called Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. You know what I'm saying? It don't make your hair white. It just make your shit shiny and it's smooth as fuck. You gotta shake it. You can probably use any straightening conditioner spray, leave-in conditioner spray, it work fine. But this is what I've been using, and it's been working pretty good for me. You feel me? So what I do is I spray this shit on my hair first, like after I got a shower, spray it. Then I put the oil on there and go through the scalp. So get y'all some spray. It's gonna help y'all for sure. It's gonna help from y'all hair being dry. Also, it's gonna help y'all from y'all hair being stank, because it's gonna talk about this in the next tip, but if you don't do the right shit, you walk around, your hair gonna smell like sweat and sour shit. You know, you don't want that for sure. You don't want that. Trust me. Oh shit. Okay. On to the last tip, man. Don't wash your hair. You know, it might sound crazy. Y'all might be like, bro, you a nasty ass nigga. But this is what us dreadheads have to go through, especially at the beginning, bro. You cannot, if you got starter locks and you just washing your shit, especially if you trying to wash your shit like every day, that's an L, bro. Your shit never gonna grow. You gonna be like me, how I was for the longest. Like, I'll be like, bro, why my shit won't lock? I'm like, bro, maybe my hair, maybe I just got maybe I'm just got curly nigga hair. My shit just can't lock. But it's because I was washing my shit, get my shit wet in the shower. I'd be working out a lot and my shit would be wet. So there's be a lot of different shit. Don't wash your shit, bro. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Don't wash it. Only time, just let your stylist wash it before you get it done. That's how I do it. Like, I never wash my hair. I go like a month. But now because my shit actually locking, now I'm gonna probably go like 2 or 3 months before I get a retwist. So I probably wash it like every month just cause. But when you got starter locks, bro, don't wash your shit, bro. Just get your shit done, however you get it done. Go to your stylist, tell her to wash it for you. Moisturize, tell her to do that shit for you. So that way you'll wash your shit every time you get it done. Then in between time, you gotta make sure you oiling and you spraying your shit so your hair don't be stinking and don't be dirty. Like, my shit still look clean. If I was lay next to my girl, she'd be like, damn, you smell good. So it's all cool, and that's good tips for you, bro. Cause starting out, you don't really know what to do, and you might do a lot of shit that might keep you hindered at one spot for a long time. So for me, I'm telling y'all the mistakes that I made. Y'all might look at my dreads. Some people might look at my dreads like, damn, bro, your shit don't got long. Some people might look at your dreads like, nigga, what the fuck? So, but I'm telling y'all, but if y'all go back and see, at first I had little knots, bro. And it took me so long to get out the starter lock phase because I was doing all the wrong shit. Like, I swear to God, bro, I was not wearing no durag. I was wearing a bunny. It's fucking me up. Cause every day I wake up, this dread to be over here, this dread to be over here. It'll be look crazy as fuck. So that's an L, bro. Wear a durag, man. Wear a durag. Get your oil, get your mist. Don't wash your hair. Stay consistent. Oh, and another tip, bro. Drink water and bro, biotin. If you get some biotin, it'll make your shit start growing. Like, right? I just started back taking my biotin, and I can already see the new growth in my shit. Like I can only explain this shit because it's me, and I look at my shit all the time. But you feel me? Like, I can see the new growth growing already, and I can't just say it's only because of biotin, but I know the biotin help out a lot. So get y'all biotin, man. Make sure y'all drink y'all water, eating a healthy diet, working out. It's gonna help you too. Hopefully this video help y'all take y'all dreads to the next level, help y'all get y'all dreads locked. And this probably gonna be the thumbnail, so just let y'all niggas know some shit like this. I'm trying to get a picture, so let me do different ones. Let me get y'all a little spin around too, though. You feel me? Y'all, I don't know what they're looking like in the back right now. Y'all spin around, man. Oh, damn. Hit the wall and shit. So that's where we at right now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, tune in. It's your boy Smoove, and we're signing out. Bye. That was weird as fuck, but I'm out.